welcome back to another Lady Savage video. It's been a while since I've done my own video, and I decided to update you guys on what I'm doing with my own personal fitness journey. So I had Rigel a year ago, which is wild to think, and I feel like in the beginning of becoming a mother, you just do all the baby things, and I was getting in here and I was working out and doing my thing, but I had a hard time like focusing on what I was actually doing, and my goal was always something physical, like my physical appearance, and I got really tired of just focusing on the way that I look and like losing that baby weight and looking better, tighter, whatever you want to say. So I said, I really just need like a goal, like something to look forward to where I'm not having to cut calories, I'm not having to like do anything like extra stressful to my body, especially since I'm still breastfeeding. So I've decided that I'm going to be doing a powerlifting competition, or a powerlifting meet, I should say. And I hired a coach back in like the end of January, beginning of February. Been working with her. My lifts have already gone up like significantly, and decided to go ahead and pick a meet. So I'm going to be competing in August. And I have like the federations. There are certain ones that I wanted to compete in, but they don't have any meets around the time that I need to be doing it, things like that. So I'm pretty excited about it. I really just wanted to share with you guys because I've kind of kept it to myself until I knew it was something I really wanted to do, something I really wanted to commit myself to. It is a lot doing workouts, especially intense workouts with a little one, but I knew that I needed something mentally to push me to that next level and like help me to stop thinking about the baby weight and like getting myself together after having a baby. And I really wanted to focus on just like being strong, being healthy, things like that. So I really just gathered myself, and I've always wanted to do powerlifting, but I've always been a little bit insecure about if I can lift heavy enough or not. So I'm doing it. My lifts kind of went down when I got pregnant, or when I was pregnant with Rigel. So it took a little bit to get that back up. We're now back up. So from here going forward into August, we'll be really just building on those 1 rep maxes. So I'm super excited. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm also gonna be sharing on my Instagram and maybe share a little bit more of my journey now that I feel like I've picked a meet. It's something I'm actually 100% going to do, and so I'm very excited. Maybe we'll do some videos in the future talking about how I'm planning to prep on it, doing it with keto and not with carbs, things like that. We'll kind of talk about that kind of stuff later, but for now I just wanted to share the exciting news with you. So join along on my journey, and we'll talk to you guys later.